Hello, my name is Mo. I'm practicing Taekwondo here in Houston, Texas, USA. I am a 15, 16-year student of Grandmaster Kai-Ha Cho in Houston, Texas. His school is TXChosTKD. He's been teaching about 33 years. These videos I'm making to help the students at Cho's Taekwondo. There are many different styles of martial arts and forms and styles. And within each style, like in Taekwondo, there's many different styles of Taekwondo. This is the style that Grandmaster Kai-Ha Cho teaches at his school. This pattern is Hwa-rang. It's high brown belt pattern. It is the last pattern you learn before black belt. You take your black belt recommended test. So this 29 movements. Chariot, attention. Chun-bi, get ready. Shi, shak, begin. In, out, out. And hands together, left over right. Leaning, riding stance, kia, elbow attack. Pushing block. Punch, punch. At this level, you need to show power, double block, punch, and kia. Feet are at a 90-degree angle. Front stance, punch. Front stance, punch. Front stance, punch. Feet together, pulling your hands in at your side like this. Okay. Side kick, chamber high, knife strike, front stance, punch, front stance, punch, turning, chamber high for the knife hand guarding, sink into the back stance, knife hands guarding. Stepping forward, front stance, chamber, spear finger, turning, chamber, back stance, knife hand strike. 2 roundhouse kicks. Keeping your hands up in a fighting position, chamber high, knife hand guarding. Front stance, down block, closed hand down block. Shift into a front stance, punch to the 45. Keep maintaining the back stance, fist straight, punch to a 45. Back stance, 45. Shift into a front stance, X block, kia! In the X block, that's the, and you want to keep your back straight, not leaning forward like this. Keep your back straight. Next move, back stance, elbow attack, kia! Feet together, block, double block, block. Back stance, knife hand guarding, feet together, back stance, knife hand guarding. And kado, in. And feet together. Okay. I should have landed a little more that way. You want to try to land in the same spot that you started in when you're doing patterns. So I must have taken a little extra long step somewhere along the way. I'm going to do one more thing, which is I'm going to do it with my back facing you, because oftentimes that's how we learn, is somebody will be in front of us teaching us. So I thought that might be helpful, especially for the younger students. So here we are. Okay, Chun-bi, Shi, Jacques, in, up, out, and feet together, leaning, kia, pushing block, punch, punch, not too fast, double block, strike, punch, and kia, front stance, punch, front stance, down block, front stance, punch, feet together, same hands, side kick, chamber high, back stance, knife strike, punch, punch, turn, knife hand guarding, front stance, spear finger, back stance, knife hand guarding, 2 kicks, 1, 2, back stance, knife hand guarding, turning, front stance, down block, shift into the back stance, punch, maintain the back stance, shift, punch, maintain the back stance, weights on the back leg, shift, punch, front stance, chamber high, X block, kia, remember don't lean forward, keep your back straight, back stance, elbow attack, kia, 1, 2, feet together. See, I ended up a little more that way again. I'm going to back up and knife hand strike. And pado. Shoot, Taquan. Okay, I'll work on my foot placement so I land up in the same spot. I hope that helps. That's all for now. That's Hwa-rang, 29 movements, pattern, young, form, whatever you call it. Okay, peace, love, and happy practicing. Mo out.